Since COVID, the world's turned gray, dull, lifeless, and we've lost some spark too. You feel it, don't you? Every new year it's, next year's my year. But 2023 bombed, 2024 flopped, and 2025 won't be different unless you make it. Give me a moment and I'll help you lock in. No fluffy motivation here, just real tools and a wake-up call. I'm not here to judge you've tried or think you have. Started bulking but quit in 2 weeks? Set vague goals like, be better, and let them slide? Half effort's your problem. Life won't fix itself. You've got to step up, starting with your time. I don't have time is funny when you scroll TikTok for hours or rewatched a show again. Break it down. 24 hours sleep, 8 work or school, 8 eat, and live 2. That's 6 left. What's in them? If you're stumped, there's your issue. Time's there. You're wasting it. We're in a goldmine era. Want a business? Tutorials and AI have you covered. Fitness? Apps and YouTube. Skills? Coursera, Skillshare, even TikTok if you follow the right people. Your phone's a weapon, stop playing. Start growing. Hit subscribe too. I want to save money. Sounds nice, but how? Track spending? Automate savings? Goals without systems like meal prep or schedules crash. They're the boring stuff that keeps you going when you'd rather quit. Success isn't glamorous. It's repetitive, early workouts, skipping plans, unseen effort. The grind's not fun, it's vital. Drop the every step's a blast fantasy. See the opportunities now and watch progress roll in. Coding, dancing, anything, free tutorials are a click away. You're not stuck from no options, you're stuck from not moving. Success videos aren't action. Get off the couch and do it. Balance everything. Work, life, growth, rest is a lie. Want it bad? Let stuff drop. Not burnout, but fierce focus. Goals aren't side gigs, they're the main event. Trying or just messing around. Real effort changes you. Casual stabs fade. Not where you want to be? Blame the world or yourself. Half in gets you nowhere. I force my best self out if I can. Why not you? No cheesy. You've got this. It's your call. Lock in hard, and 2025's your year, not another. Maybe next time. The world's great, but you're smart, strong, adaptable. Fix yourself. Bring the color back. You in, or are we talking again next year? Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. You've got this.